Hi loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. As you guys can tell by the title, I have some new hair to share with you guys. This is a bomb 13x6 lace frontal wig from Afsisterwig. I will have everything linked down below, but we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into it. The wig did come to me in this box. Unfortunately, it was a little beat up, but everything inside was fine. They did send over some goodies. They included a wig cap, a little edge brush, as well as a clip and some bobby pins. And like I mentioned, this is a 3D full 13x6 Skin Melt Swiss lace front wig. So this wig is very natural off the bat. It is pre-plucked. It has a super natural hairline. The lace is very nice quality. It is not super thin where it's gonna rip on you or anything, but it is very thin in the sense that it melts to the skin super well. There is so much parting space at that top area, as you guys can see. There are combs inside, as well as an adjustable strap and an elastic band as well. So it is really nice and secure, and it is a nice high quality wig. I feel like the knots were not bleached. However, I felt like I didn't need to, and I was really happy with how it looked. This hair is in a beautiful deep wave texture, as you guys can see, and it is very full and very thick. I do have my wig on my wig head. Even though it is pre-plucked, I am just creating a widow's peak because I usually leave my edges out when I install my wigs, but because this wig is so natural, I decided to leave no hair out and do a full ball cap method. So I wanted to make sure that the hairline was pretty natural and worked with my own hairline. I don't have a hot comb, so I do use my curling wand to just flatten my edges when I am styling my wig. And I did go ahead and just wet the curls a little bit so you guys can see here what it is looking like. It's a little bit pre-styled before going ahead and installing it in my head. I did add some makeup to the parting space, so it looks a little bit sloppy here, but once it is installed in my head, it is going to look a lot more natural. This is because I did not bleach the knot, so I went ahead and just put a bunch of makeup underneath the wig in that parting space. And because it does have that deep lace, you could have done a deeper part, but I kind of wanted to give like that flip over look, so I did a nice wide parting space. But you guys can create a curve, you can do braid, twist, you can use hair ties to create different hairstyles with the front of this wig because it has that deep parting space. I did not yet fully install, put the glue on my bald cap, but I did go ahead and put a wig cap on. So you guys can see here the edge of my wig cap, but I did want to just show you what the hairline looks like off the bat because it was super natural. I didn't really show the installation process because I feel like it's getting a bit redundant, and I'm honestly not a hairstylist. I come on here to focus on the wigs and show you the wigs and how I style them, and it's not really a tutorial but more of a styling and review. So here I'm going ahead and taking my curling wand, and I'm just adding a lot of volume to the roots of that area because again, I did want to create kind of like a flip over method and kind of show some more of like the scalp area, as you guys can see. And this just added a lot of volume to that front area, which I was really happy with. Again, I'm just using my curling wand to smooth down the edges and flatten everything to help it look a lot more natural, while my wig band is going ahead and setting everything in place. The lace is still on, but I did go ahead and glue down and install my wig. I did use the Ebon Wonder Lace spray for this installation, and I'll have the products that I use listed down below in case you're interested. But guys, as you guys can see, this hair is so thick and so beautiful. It has so much movement, and it is really nice high quality hair. I did want to go ahead and add some layers into the wig just to add a little bit of shape, but I really didn't do too much, and it honestly wasn't necessary. I just always love to do this when I have curly wigs specifically, just to add some volume and make it look a little more natural when it falls. And this is what it was looking like. This is with the hair dry too and like no product, so it is very voluminous. I am going ahead and going to define the curls a little bit more and style them. I put some clips at my roots so that it didn't take away from all that work I just did of bumping them up. But I'm going ahead and just wetting the curls a little bit, spraying them with some water, applying a curl cream, running my fingers through the hair, And then I am going to go ahead and take some oil just to set everything in place. That's what I use on my natural hair, and honestly, I like this routine and method on curly hair, and I was really happy with how it came out. It wasn't crunchy or hard. It just dried really nicely. So I went ahead and cut off the lace and added my baby hairs, as you guys can see here, and I'm just using a blow dryer to set everything in place. And guys, look at this lace. Like, I did not bleach the knots. And look at this lace. I did not pluck the hairline. This is what it came like. Look at this wig, guys. Oh my gosh. I let everything set for a bit longer with a band, and this was the final result. And I am so happy with this. Like, I'm not even proud because I didn't do anything really except just throw this wig on my head with some wig spray and add baby hairs. But I am so happy with this install because Afsisterwig literally slayed this wig. This is such a nice quality wig. The hair is so thick, so beautiful. You have so much parting space to work with, and this lace is such nice quality. Nowadays, so many wigs are like making these different claims of different types of laces, HD, 3D, but it says it's a 3D skin melt lace wig. It did its thing. It lived up to the claim, and it melted into my skin so well. Let me know what you guys think down below. I absolutely love this hair. I ended up actually bleaching this hair, and the curls were still so bomb. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling after bleaching it. I did some skunk stripes in it. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up so I can do more hair reviews and share with you guys more wigs in the future. And let me know what you guys want to see from me next in the comments down below. If you want to stay connected with me, be sure to follow me over on Instagram. I will have everything linked down below for you guys to check out all the specs on this wig, the exact details, so you guys can know all of the information and check it out yourselves if you're interested. I'll also just leave Afsisterwig's website link down below because every single wig that I've received from them, tried from them, is a good high quality wig. Really good hair that lasts and is durable. You can tell it's real human hair. I will definitely have everything linked down below. I love you guys so much. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.